my brothers and sisters. So I've been receiving texts. I would receive several texts like you have to do videos like this, short clips, some knowledge in your voice. So it is better if I share the perfect with you. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Yusuf chapter number 12 verse number 90 that verily he who fears Allah with obedience to him by abstraining from sins and evil deeds and by performing righteous deeds and is patient, then surely Allah makes no reward of the mu'minun to be lost. That means Allah guaranteed us that if we do something righteous, something good, and we are pious on the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then it is not a waste. So all I wanted to say is be patient with everything that you face, okay? Everyone's life is difficult. For example, take me. I myself feel like sometimes that I am the luggage for my father, but then I be patient, because patience is a strong sign of a Muslim. The one who submits his will to God start being patient, okay? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made patience like a horse that never gets tired, never ever, okay? An army that never gets defeated. So victory and patience, they go together like this, because victory cannot be yours without patience. Like for example, if you be too aggressive, like I've been in a kickboxing ring, okay? So if you be too much aggressive, there will be just one punch that will knock you out. But what happens if you play technically? The same way applies in your iman. You have to play with patience. In life, you have to play the life with patience, with piety, with honesty, and all those things that you're looking for can be found in this. You gotta pick this thing. This is not a book. This is a divine revelation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is not like a 26 alphabets of English, ABC, and it is all done. No. It is the complete code of life. Patience, honesty, how to spend life, everything that you're seeking can be found in this divine revelation, in this Al-Quran, the most perfect book on the face of the earth, without any contradictions. Alright, so I don't know if I did it right way or not, or if someone can teach me, then please teach me how to do it. So I say, take care. Allah Hafiz.